What if I told you that your brain lies to you every single day? Not because it's broken, but because it's trying to protect you. And the scary part? You usually believe it. Your brain doesn't care about truth, it cares about survival. To keep you safe, your brain takes shortcuts, called cognitive biases. These shortcuts save energy, but they also distort reality. Think of your brain like a news editor. It removes details, exaggerates threats, and fills gaps just to make fast decisions. Let's talk about one of the most dangerous lies your brain tells you: confirmation bias. This is your brain's habit of only noticing information that agrees with what you already believe. If you think people can't be trusted, you'll remember every betrayal and ignore every act of kindness. Your brain says, "See, I was right." But the truth? You were just selectively blind. Ever noticed how one negative comment ruins your entire day? That's negativity bias. Your brain treats bad experiences as more important than good ones because in ancient times, ignoring danger meant death. Today, it means overthinking texts, replaying conversations, and self doubt. Your brain is still fighting lions, even though you're just reading comments. Another lie your brain loves: the illusion of control. You think you're making logical decisions. But emotions decide first. Logic just shows up later to justify them. That's why people defend bad choices instead of changing them. Your brain hates being wrong more than it hates being unhappy. So, how do you stop your brain from lying to you? You don't fight it, you slow it down. Ask yourself, what evidence contradicts this thought? Am I reacting or reasoning? Is this fear real or familiar? Awareness doesn't silence the brain, it puts you back in control. Your brain isn't your enemy, it's just outdated software running on modern problems. The moment you notice the lie, you regain the choice. If this changed the way you see your own thoughts, like subscribe and comment the word aware. Because the mind you understand is the mind you control.